Hi, I'm Dan Polimino with KW Big Island and the Hawaii team. Well, today I am talking about the new Kona Village. Yeah, if you've ever been to the Big Island of Hawaii, you may remember Kona Village. It was a very popular place to stay, back in the day. And the reason why is because it had all these thatched huts or these thatched roof huts, and it had a real look of old Hawaii, and it was right on the ocean, it was right on the beach. And the key thing about the Kona Village was they wanted to take you back to an old Hawaii experience. So they didn't have any internet, and they didn't have any phones, and they didn't have any televisions. It was supposed to be a place where you could kind of get away. Well, a lot has happened since that day. First and foremost, a tsunami came in during the mid-2000s and wiped out most of Kona Village, and then it went through a series of lawsuits with the insurance carrier, and then it finally got settled and then was sold. And it was sold to a very popular real estate developer from California called Kennedy Wilson. Kennedy Wilson is the developer behind the Kohana Iki project here on the west side of the island. If you'd like to know more about Kohana Iki, by all means, contact me. It's really a fabulous place. But Kennedy Wilson's also developing or rebuilt Kona Village. And again, there is some modifications. It's still the thatched huts. They're completely rebuilt and completely redone, so it's all up to today's modern standards of what you would expect. But there is no televisions in the room. You do have internet, and you can bring your own device. So much for being unplugged, right? You're not going to be totally unplugged. People will bring their phones and they will have internet connectivity there. But it is a very cool hotel. It is ultra super high end. And you're saying to yourself, well, Dan, how high end is it? Well, rooms start at $2,000 a night, and that gets you a king bed that's in the interior of the property. It's not on the ocean. It doesn't have an ocean view. It's on the interior of the property, or maybe looking towards the mountain, and that's $2,000 a night. Now, from there, it goes up. You can go all the way up to $21,000 a night. Yeah, you heard that right. Now, what does $21,000 get you? It gets you a 4-bedroom hale, or a 4-bedroom house that sleeps 12, and it's on the ocean, and you basically have your own house on the ocean for $21,000 a night. There's plenty of stuff in between. There's $4,000 a night, there's $5,000, there's $6,000, and so forth. And it's just how big it is and how many people it sleeps. Very exclusive resort. I've had a lot of my clients, my wealthy clients, say, who's gonna pay $2,000 a night? Well, apparently a lot of people, because they've done quite well with their reservations. There was a rumor, or somebody had told me, that within the first hour of when they first started opening up rooms last year, that they had done like $1 million in activity. Now, I don't know if that's true or not, but again, maybe you'll have to wait to see if the prices come down. The resort officially opened on July 1st. So they are open to the public. You can go to Rosewood Hotels and look for Kona Village. Rosewood is Kennedy Wilson's the developer. They hired Rosewood Hotels to manage the property. As you know, Rosewood is a very exclusive hotel operator and has a lot of really high-end Uber properties. And this is another one in their collection. I don't know anyone who has stayed there yet, so I can't tell you that it's white glove, 5-star, or 5-diamond, or Michelin rated. So I don't know yet what people are saying about it, or even if it's worth the $2,000 a night that you want to drop on it. But check it out online. We've given you some snapshots here, and if you do stay there, let me know what you think. I'd love to get the feedback and pass it along to our clients. As always, if you need to buy, sell, or invest in real estate, contact us here at the Hawaii team, 808-913-0899, 808-913-0899, or thehawaiiteam.com. Aloha.